So today I'm talking about the honest review on the Derma Plus supplement, which is basically used for healthy skin or to cure all type of skin problems like rashes, uh, pigmentation, blackheads, and pimples on your skin. It is 100% organic and natural supplement. Before starting the review, I'm requesting you, please don't buy the supplements from any third party websites. There is a many spamming websites, they do spam and they are trying to steal your all money. So please buy the supplement from the official website. This is the official website I'm showing you now. This is the official website of Derma Prime Plus. I'll give you the official website link in the description. If you are going to buy, then please buy from that link. You will get original product and there is no issue and there is no fraud from that link. So now I am starting the honest review on the Derma Prime. So this is the official website of Derma Prime Plus. In first of all, they are telling you 5 easy tips and tricks to improve or achieve your normal skin balance. Like the researchers, they are 15 years at biggest hospital. They have experience in this industry. They will ask you to how you will maintain a healthy glowing skin. 5 tips: get enough sleep. You have to get enough sleep because stress makes your skin, it makes bad effect in your skin. Hydrate your skin. You have to drink at least 8 to 10 glass of water. Don't forget about sunscreen when you go out. You have to use sunscreen on your skin. It protects your skin from UV rays. Keep your phone clean. Yes, you read that your phone is perfect breeding ground of tons of bacteria when coming in contact with one's face. These bacteria can cause nasty breakouts, so try to keep your phone clean. It means that because maximum time we use our phone and there is a huge bacteria on our phone screen, and we use our phone with fingers and then put our fingers on our face. So we have to keep our phone clean. Mind the shower temperature. So this is the basically 5 tips we have to follow in our daily routine life to get a healthier skin. Then we come on the Derma Prime. They are asking, I truly believe that 5 easy tricks could improve your skin and even your general well-being. That's why I plan to help many people as possible. So I did a perfect, easy yet formula which consists of amazing herbs. So it is the Derma Prime is made up of Chencha pedra, ginger, birdrock roots, beetroot, and artichoke. So the Derma Prime Plus supplement is totally made up of natural herbs. It is pure natural, effective, and trustworthy because processed under strict sterile standard with regularly disinfectant in equipments. So you don't have to think about any fraud, side effects, or fake products. It is produced under guidelines of GMP and it is FDA approved. After all requirements 100% meet, we finally had the product. Dermaplies capsules are non-GMP, constantly verified for their purity and potency. You don't have to think about the purity and potency. It is certified from FDA, so it is a big thing. It is certified from FDA, so you don't have to think about the fake product side effects and another thing. And see they mentioned this thing on their official website. It is made in USA. All supplements, every pill is made in USA. and FDA approved and GMP certified faculty under sterile, strict and precious standards. This is very most important thing when you are buying a supplement or product for your skin, because our skin is very sensitive thing. If you buy any infected products or products which don't have these criterias, it is very dangerous for your skin. So Derma Prime Plus capsules are non-GMP and safe. It is totally 100% safe. You can rest assured that they do not contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins, and most importantly they are not habit forming. So they are not habit forming. When, like, if you have skin problems now, you should have to start taking this supplement pills, and when you get your skin better, then after that you should use just these 5 methods to maintain your healthy skin. You don't have to continue these capsules for your lifetime. You just have to cure your damaged skin now, and when your skin is good, if you follow this supplement for 2 to 3 months, you will get rid of your all type of skin problems. After that, you just follow this 5 steps, or you can find many other steps on Google. Just take care of your skin. You don't have to take these supplements for lifetime. I just and they ask you can get a 30 days supply of Derma Plus protein for one time investment, $69, and I think they are also giving you a money back guarantee if you are not satisfied. They are giving you bulletproof 60-day money back guarantee. If you are not satisfied with this product, you can ask them for money back. They will give you all money. They will give you all refund. See, they are asking if you don't experience any dramatic improvement, or you are not content of any reason whatsoever, we will issue a full refund. They will give you a full refund, no question asked. They don't ask any question why you are refunding. They refund you all money. All you need to do, contact us within the first 60 days. In first 60 days, if you contact them, they will send you all refund money from your purchase. So it doesn't matter if you used it up the entire bottle, we will still give you money back. If you used the entire bottle, also they will give your money back. So you don't have to think about this. If you want to try this, it is very safe. So see, they give you all money back if you don't see any results. So this means you have 2 whole months, 60 days. Like if you have all 2 months if Derma Plus is for you or not. No hidden fees or subscriptions, just a safe and secure one-type simple payment. There is no any fraud system and another things, just one-time simple payment. You just click on the below to make your choice, enter your payment details and blah blah blah. So from my opinion, if you are facing skin problems from a long time, you should try this, because they are giving you 60 days money back time. It is huge, like it is 2 months, and I am sure you will see results in your first 15 to 20 days when you starting to taking the pills. And I recommend you should go for 90 days supply or 180 days supply, because it will save you money. And like if you don't see, you have a great option. This, if you don't see any results, you can contact them and ask for your money back guarantee. Many of people don't know this, they have money back guarantee. So I recommend you, if you didn't see any effects on your skin, you can go for your money back. So you don't have to think about this thing. So, and again, the main thing from my opinion, you should try this because there is no loss of your money, and they are giving you money back guarantee, and there is no any fear of duplicacy because it is made in USA and FDA approved. So, and strict sterile press standards, so it is totally safe and totally natural. So I think you should try this. And again, I am asking you, be aware from the spamming websites or third party websites on internet. You should buy this from the official websites which I am showing this, and I'll provide the official website link in the description. So you should buy from that link and be aware from fraud. So that's it. This is my honest review on the Dermaprime product. So you should try this if you're facing skin problems. It will help you a lot, and if you have any issue, just contact them and get your money back in your bank account. So that's it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel for honest reviews like these products. So bye bye.